We're going to start in quadruped on your hands and knees. We are going to do what we call a pelvic tilt. So we are moving through neutral spine into posterior pelvic tilt, which is PPT, back to neutral, and to anterior pelvic tilt, APT. For bird dog, we want to maintain neutral, and we're going to extend the arm and opposite leg. Trying to maintain steady your pelvis and a neutral spine. The trick is to reach as far as you can with your hand in front of you and as far back behind you with your heel as possible. And you're going to alternate.